All right, so let me know what you think. Ndubisi, would that be a good name for your next child if you're expecting one? So, if you would like your own Igbo name, or if you're expecting a child and you're trying to think of a good name that would speak and manifest greatness into their life, or just health and wealth and happiness and just overall well-being, let me know down in the comment section down below. I think Ndubisi is a really good example of such a name, because it's really reminding that person and also those around them that life is what's most important. You know what I'm saying? The things of this world can, they can drive you crazy sometimes, right? But making sure that you preserve your life, making sure that you understand and that you're grateful for what you have, and that without your health, you can't build any wealth. Without your happiness and your sanity, you won't really be able to, perform well or do the things that you want to do or spend time with loved ones.